Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to become eligible for BluPeak membership. To become eligible for BluPeak credit union membership, you need to meet one of their specific criteria. The most common ways to qualify include living, working, or worshiping in one of the counties they serve in California, which are Alameda, Sacramento, San Diego, Santa Clara, or Yolo. Being an employee of the state of California or the University of California and California State University systems. This also applies to retired employees, students, and alumni of these university systems. Being employed by or a member of one of their affiliated select employee groups. And finally, being an immediate family member of a current BluPeak credit union member or living in the same residence as a member and sharing a single economic unit. In addition to meeting one of these criteria, you will need to provide some personal information to open an account, such as a valid government-issued ID, your social security number, and your physical address. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.